So first of all, we can start with the educational issues in the context of urbanization. Before talking about education in the context of urbanization, we should know what urbanization is. What do you mean by urbanization? Urbanization is the tendency of people or tendency of moving by people from rural areas to cities so that to increase the population of cities and towns. Rural areas become towns. If you look at some areas in our country or in our state, you can see that such places were small villages, but now they have become towns. For example, my own native place, Madhamangalam. When I was a child, it was a small village. Only one or two or three shops were there. But after one or two decades, now if you go to Madhamangalam, you'll be one-third. Nowadays, when I go my home at weekends, sometimes I get myself one-third because new shops might have come there. So rural areas or villages become urban areas or become towns or cities. Such a process is known as urbanization. It may be because of different factors. As people get better education, they will try to get some better job at town areas, then they will go to towns. And sometimes the movements such as industrialization will bring factories, then people will get job there, then they will start residing near to the factories, then they will come some community, new community related to factories. So urbanization is the tendency of moving people from rural areas to cities, or it is the process in which rural areas become cities and towns. So this is urbanization. Now we can look at the positive impact of urbanization on education. There are some positive impact as well as negative impact on education by urbanization. So what are the positive impact of urbanization on education? One of the positive aspects of urbanization in the case of education is it offers more access for higher education to a majority of the youth. In the past, actually only a few people were getting opportunity for having higher education. In my own experience, when I joined for pre-degree at Sir Syed College before a number of years, I was the only student from Muslim community belonging to my village to come to Sir Syed College. So people were not aware of the importance of education. That was a factor. Another thing was only some people who got some better marks were able to get admission in higher educational institutions because there were only a few educational institutions. But when more and more urban areas used to come to come into existence, more educational institutions are built by different people. One of the features of the urban areas is that there will be educational institutions. So when rural areas become urban areas, more and more higher educational institutions come into existence, and it offers education to a majority of youth. If you look at the people, if you look at the youngsters who get higher education nowadays, you will see that there is a huge difference between the past and present. So it is a positive aspect of urbanization in the case of education. Then another thing, and the positive aspect is that it offers better transportation facilities. In the past, parents were not ready to send their children to schools because of some safety issues. In the past, children were compelled to walk miles and miles to reach the educational institution. And because of the lack of better transportation facilities, or because of the lack of comfortable transportation facilities, most of the parents were not ready to send their children to school. But nowadays, after the emergence of urbanization, or after rural areas have become urban areas, you can see public transportation at each and every area now. It is not very difficult to reach educational institutions. When I was a student of government higher secondary school at Madhamangalam, we people were enjoying some privileges because we were living at Madhamangalam itself. So we could reach the school by walking for 10 or 15 minutes. But most of my friends who were coming from Perul, Kadakara, Eramum and such remote areas were to walk for more than 1 hour and 2 hours. It was the scenario in the past. But nowadays you can see there are transportation facilities from each minute area. And this is an after effect of urbanization. It's a positive aspect in the case of education. Another positive aspect is it ensures availability of better teachers with accurate knowledge. See, nowadays teachers want to get a job in some prestige institutions, in some standard institutions, in some reputed institutions. And if you have to get a job in a reputed institution as a teacher, you should keep quality, because reputed institutions are trying to keep their standard. They will not be compromising in the case of quality and standard. So they will recruit teachers on the basis of their quality, not on the basis of their bundles of certificates. That's a fact. So when there is more and more an urbanization, as you see, there will be more educational institutions, and educational institutions will be competing with other institutions, with each other. So they will be trying to recruit better teachers. So you can see that urbanization ensures availability of better teachers with accurate knowledge, with updated knowledge. Is also a positive aspect of urbanization in the case of education. And it offers access to better and advanced libraries. This is something important because when you live in an urban area, there will be some fast internet connection, and nowadays we are thinking about digital libraries and such things. And if you have got a better internet connection, then you can provide more and more e-learning materials, online learning materials for your students. You can provide facilities for that in your library. So it is something important. So urbanization offers access to better and advanced library facilities with more and more books, more CDs, more computer systems, the better internet connection and such things. Again, a positive aspect of urbanization in the case of education. And it offers latest and advanced technologies for each student. As I told, if you have to provide better and advanced technology for each student, then you have to offer better internet connection.